it's Frank. Today is a very lucky day because see this? This thing recognized? Yeah, what's it do? So I'm gonna get money tonight, cause when I was in the bathroom, and then I pulled it out, and then my tooth came out. And I know it's weird when I did that, but it was really loose. It was really wiggly, so I said to yank it out. Okay, so that's my and I think this is my fourth tooth that fell out so far. I don't know. Anyways, bye.